Hey, you know what could be more refreshing on a hot, sizzling summer day?
What?
The water park.
Wow. That looks so cool.
So what do you say? Should we go grab Christopher and see if anybody wants to go in the water park with us?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, Christopher.
Hey. Yeah?
Are you ready? Do you want to go get into the water park with us?
Yeah, duh.
Okay, Chelsea, we got to take our shoes off.
Wait, girls. We gotta throw in the floaties.
Floaties?
Yeah, we did.
Chelsea, did you hear that? Mom and Dad brought floaties. I wonder what floaties they brought with us.
They are done.
Oh, look, the blue one. Oh, yeah, the blue
And
one.
the little ball.
I'm so glad they brought the blue one. That one's my favorite. It floats both of us at the same time. Christopher, can you bring that floaty?
This is really heavy, and I thought your dad would.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Dad'll bring it. Okay, let's go, guys.
One down.
Oh, yes, there we go. The kids will like that one for sure.
Woo! Woo! The kids will like this one because it's purple, and I don't know why they like purple. There you go. Ooh, and this blue one. They really said they liked it. Woo! Ooh, and this green and a white ball. Woo! It's all ready, kids. Really?
Yay, thanks, Dad.
Yay, thanks. You're welcome. So, I'm gonna join it in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna stay with your mom.
Thanks, Dad. All right, well, what do you say? I think I'm ready, guys.
Yeah, let's all go in.
Okay, I'm so excited.
How about I'll watch by myself because there's a little button in the seat.
Oh, okay. Okay, we'll watch.
We'll watch.
Be careful.
Okay. I'm gonna watch myself really high.
Okay.
That was so high.
It's my turn. That looks so fun. Hey, Rosie, do you mind? Can I go next? Oh, sure. Go ahead.
I'll launch you.
Okay, yeah. You want to launch me?
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Are you guys okay? Wow, we landed right on you. My turn. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Watch out so I don't land on you.
Okay. Oh, you are so high.
You guys, I love the slingshot. That is so fun. The water tube. Chelsea, let me get in there with you.
No. I'm gonna be right back, guys.
Okay, we'll see you in a minute.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, wow, that was fast.
Well, I'm gonna be gone.
Oh, wow. Okay, what's he doing?
Okay.
I bet he has to poop.
This is so relaxing. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time.
What
Okay.
is he?
And again. and again.
It's such a nice day.
Yeah.
I love this floaty.
Wait, I feel something under us.
You think Christopher's okay? Oh my goodness, I didn't know there was dolphins in here. Oh my goodness.
Wait. Oh, the little baby. Oh, I don't see its mom.
Wow. She's beautiful. Purple, my favorite color.
Oh, and blue. I love purple the most.
Oh! I just got sworded in the face by a dolphin. My dreams have come true. They're the cutest. I want to pet the baby. Oh, I'm gonna call you Finny. Hi, Finny.
And wait, let's name her Blueberry and her Grape. Blueberry and Grape.
That's a great idea. I like that so much better.
Hi, Blueberry. Hi, Grape.
Oh, you guys are so cute. Oh, have fun today, guys. Oh, they are cute. Christopher missed out. He probably shouldn't have ate all that junk food on the way here. Hey, you want to go down the slide? Hey, you all right?
Yeah, I'm all right. I just had a...
We thought so.
Look at this ball.
Hey, Christopher, you ready to go down the water slide yet?
Yeah, no, I am. Woo!
Wow, nice moves.
I call this the back sit.
Wow, how can you float like that?
What?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go down the slide.
Me too. I want to go down this one side.
Jinx.
I do rock, paper, scissors for it.
Okay, yeah. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Scissors.
Cuts paper. Ah, okay, you can go first.
Okay, it's going.
Oh, she's stuck in the bucket.
Wow!
Wow, that looks like so much fun. My turn, my turn, my turn. Okay, my turn. Are you ready?
Stand like that.
Chelsea, are you gonna watch me go down?
Okay.
I'm so excited. Sorry. Oh no, I need the cup you're floating around in.
Oh no! How about let's go together?
Okay.
Hook it up. Okay.
Are you ready?
Set, go!
Oh my goodness, I love this water park. Christopher, you want to take a turn?
No, I'm just in this very cool hole.
What is that, like a little water spa over there or something?
I don't know.
He's got his own little jet.
I love it because I can do this.
What? Let me try.
Let me try.
Chelsea, you always go first.
Yeah, I do. Ready, set, go.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
That was intense.
I'm gonna do something real quick.
And then do you want to go to the pirate ship? I really want to go to the pirate ship splash pad.
Okay, watch this. Ready? Set,
Yeah.
go.
Hole in one.
Holy wood. But I actually did it myself. Look. Woo! Whoa! Whoa!
Can we go to the pirate ship now?
Yeah, I'm gonna jump out.
Oh, it's just like I
I'm
remember
gonna
it.
get in. It's just like I remembered it.
This place is so cool.
Look at this pink.
I love the parrot.
Look at this pink thing I found. It's like a little circle tube. You can put it in there and you float.
Wow, that's really neat. I feel like you're missing one though.
Yeah, but it's really.
This is like a kiddie park, I know. It is very deep this year. I'm so shocked by that. I love it.
Ah! You splashed my feet.
Sorry, I like to go underwater. It's so deep here.
I'm gonna go up there. Whoa!
Careful.
I'm going to press a little button in here. Whoa!
Sounds like a cannon.
Again.
Wow. This place is so cool.
It sounds like oceans.
It does.
Oh
no!
The little
I got him, I got him.
The little bird's injured.
Oh no, should we take him back to mom?
Maybe we could. Ah! Maybe we should.
Oh no, look, he's trying to get away from you. Get him out of the water, Chelsea.
I think he's not injured. Ah!
Yep, he seems fine. Just let go.
This bird is so cool. Look, this bird is so cool. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Go tell Rosie, sis, come here. Okay. Look, go tell Rosie that come here.
Did that bird just talk to me?
Yeah, I sure did. He copies me.
I see that you two are getting along now. Okay, well, come down.
Rosie, I'm hungry.
Me too. I'm so glad you said that. Let's go get some food.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think Mom brought?
I don't know. Buck, what do you think Mom got?
Oh, man, I am not going to get used to that.
Buck, I'm not gonna get used to that.
Oh, my goodness. Let's go.
Oh my goodness, let's go.
Oh, I know. It's so nice out. What a great trip it is this time. Oh, yeah, we agree. The weather held up nice this year. Mm-hmm. Hey, I wonder where the kids are at. They gotta be getting hungry. Oh, look, they're talking about us. We're hungry. Did you guys bring anything to eat?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, girls, right over here on the table. I got some I got some donuts, some subs, a whole bunch of different variety. Help yourself to anything you want.
Oh, yeah. Help yourself to anything you want. You weren't supposed to see that.
Did that parrot just talk to me?
Yeah, we thought it had an injured arm, so
So why is it following you, repeating everything you say?
Fuck. Why is it following you when saying anything you said?
Okay, cool. It copies everybody. That's
Okay, cool. It copies everyone.
Yeah, I wouldn't say he's my favorite.
Yeah, I wouldn't say he was my favorite. Let me see.
All right, let me see him. I'll take a look at him, make sure his arms aren't broken. And if he's okay, you better let him go.
Oh, yep, he's good. Well, thank you.
Well, that was easy.
Now, when are we gonna get our food? Because I am hungry.
Me too. I'm gonna grab, oh, I see a sub. I'm gonna grab a sub and go sit on that chair over there and eat it real quick. I love subs. It's like super hot and the sub's like nice and cold. And I love mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Oh man, I was so hungry.
Sweeties, we got dessert.
Oh, dessert. I'm gonna eat my sub real fast.
Okay.
I'm so thirsty. I forgot to grab a drink when I grabbed my sub.
Do you want a soda right here?
Where did you just get that from?
Remember last videos where my pocket was?
Well, can I have a sip? I'm so thirsty.
Yep, here you go.
Thank you. We should get some ice cream and then we should go check. Did you know that they brought Tracy? There's a pup splash pad here. I want to go see the puppies. It's got to be so cute.
Yeah.
So let's grab our ice cream and then let's go see the puppies.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to run and grab my ice cream. Do you want me to just grab you one?
I just wish I could have both of them.
Well, we could share if you want both flavors. I don't mind.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, where are they? I know they're over here somewhere. Oh. Okay. Yes, I know Chelsea will like that one, and I will like that one. Okay. Oh, here. Here you go.
Can I have a sip of yours?
Yeah, sure. I don't care. I never can finish the whole thing anyways.
When you're done, can I have the rest of it?
Yeah, absolutely. I don't care.
Okay.
Better than it going to waste.
Yeah.
Hey, here. I'm done. You want to...
You left the...
I just spilled some on your leg. Sorry.
You left some of the whipped cream. I love that part. You know it.
I know. Yeah, I was saving you some.
Now should we go check on the puppies?
I want to go see the baby puppies playing in the splash pad.
I heard there's like a park for us.
Ooh, let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Look at the puppies! Oh my goodness! Look at them!
I tried to bring all the puppies.
Oh, hey Tracy, how you doing, girl? Oh, watching our babies play.
Remember that one time when we had puppies?
Oh yeah.
That was 5 puppies.
I know,
Let me
it
count
was
them right
crazy.
now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't know how Tracy did it.
She's a big
Look at
dog.
them, they're gonna go down the slide. Oh. Look at this one, playing in this little pond. Oh. I see some friends here today.
Yep. See, kitty cat.
Oh, Chelsea, look at this.
Ooh.
Ooh, it looks like I can climb this. Wow.
Meow.
Wow.
Meow.
This place is beautiful. I don't remember this place. This has to be new.
Look at that.
Oh, I love frogs. Look
Let's
at that little frog.
Let's
Oh my
change
goodness.
right now.
What does this do? I feel like it should do something. It's got water here and a frog. Ugh.
Maybe we have to press it.
Oh my goodness, so cool. Do it, do it, do it. It's like it's raining.
I already changed, so I'm gonna get in.
Okay, yeah. You want me to push it for you?
It's like a little bath.
Do you want me to push it for you?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna have to turn it around because it's so small.
I know, I think this might be for smaller kids, but it's so cute.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
The water is so cool.
There's
Kids!
more. I think I want to swing.
Kids, I heard there was a water park. Wait.
Water? More water? How many new attractions did they add this year?
We mean a cannonball thing.
A cannonball thing? What are they talking about? Do you know?
Yeah, I do. I think there's like a little thing and it pours water all over us.
Oh, yeah, let's go do that.
Wait, change.
Oh, yeah. Oh, they said bucket drop. I thought they said cannon. Oh, my goodness. This is one of those bucket dumps?
Yeah.
There's the X. We just stand here?
It's going to do it again.
Oh, my goodness. That was so fun. Okay.
Wait, one more time.
Yeah, I want to do it one more time. This really turned out to be the best
Best water park ever.
It really did. What a great, hot, sizzling summer day.
Well, subscribe, guys.
Hit those likes. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.